एक ऐसा महीना है जिसके अंदर हम वर्ल्ड हैप्पीनेस डे बनाते हैं। तो आज इसी महीने में हम मिलने आए हैं गीता एस राव से, जो कि गुजरात की एक अनोखी महिला है, जो कि पैरा एथलीट, ट्राई एथलीट और साइकिलिस्ट है। जैसा कि आप मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये वह बगीचा है जिसमें वह रोज सुबह अपनी साइकिलिंग की प्रैक्टिस करने आती है। तो आइए आज हम जानते हैं गीता एस राव की कहानी उन्हीं के जमाने।
Good morning everyone, I'm Dean Mandalia and I'm Dean Mandalia alongside and we are here with an amazing para-athlete, triathlete I would say, Paralympic, and one of the finest entrepreneurs, Miss Geeta S. Rao. When did you become glued to cycling and how did cycling became your forever crush?
Okay, it was 14 Feb 2016 when my cycling journey had started actually. Before a week of this particular day, cyclothon was coming up in Ahmedabad, and I never rode bicycle in my childhood, so I just had a thought, why not to ride the bicycle once in life at least. So I just checked the categories of this event. So there were 14 kilometers of train ride there. So I thought 14 kilometers, why not to give a try, just 14 kilometers. So I just registered for this event. That time I was not going cycling. After registering, I started riding bike. I just started learning bicycle, which I gifted to my nephew. And after 2 days, I learned how to handle bicycle. Then I tried to ride for some longer distance, and I couldn't ride 200 meter even. So, and in just 200 meter, I was so much exhausted. Like I did so much of work, and how your physical condition would be. So that physical condition of mine, that was just because of 200 meter ride. So I thought, okay, I am not able to ride 200 meters today. Once in my life, before I die, I will ride 200 kilometers. And that is the point where I made my first cycling goal. And slowly and gradually I increased distance, and one fine day, on 20th Feb 2016, the day has come, event day, cyclothon has come. And all my friends, I went along with them. The event started. I finished my first 14 kilometer loop, and I couldn't find my friends over there. So I said, oh, they are so fast and I am so slow. Might be possible they must have leave by that time. So I thought, anyway, there is no option, I have to go by home, but I am enjoying cycling, so why not to make one other loop of 14 kilometers, and then we'll go by my own.
So you were supposed to participate in the 2020 Paralympic Games, but unfortunately due to COVID it got delayed, and now it's finally coming back in 2021 August. So do you still wish to participate in the Paralympics this year?
I really wish. I'm just focusing on some speed part, because speed is something where my obstacle is. So I have just started working on it. Let's see how it works. But anyways, going Paralympic is my dream. If not this time, next time. But anyway, I am going to Paralympic for sure.
Every Indian woman has a journey with their jewelry or something. I would like to know about your bangles.
Yeah, I love, like every girl has, no, we are blessed, girls have so many blessings, I would say, that they live different lives in their one life. So they can know how to beautify things, they can know how to beautify their life even. So they decorate themselves with something, maybe with their ideas, with their beauties, with their works. Maybe it could be anything. Anyways, bangle is something, I like the voice of glass bangles. So I always keep wearing it with me.
Any special story wearing tricolor bangles?
Of course, tricolor, my nation tricolor is very close to my heart, and Paralympic dream is associated with this bangle.
Any message you would like to convey to some young para-athletes in India?
I would say that your body may be limited, but you can reach anywhere with your mind. That's it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was great being with you. I got to learn many new things, especially. It was a great story. Thank you so much.